Thanks to innovations in drone technology, we have access to more data than ever before. More and more businesses nowadays are using drones to capture detailed geographical maps to inform business decisions. With Airamap, we've created an all-in-one system for stitching, analyzing, and visualizing geospatial data that makes it easy to process raw drone images into strategic, actionable reports. Using proprietary AI technology, Airamap speeds up GIS workflows by having algorithms do the heavy lifting with speed and precision. Using Airamap is simple. Once you've run your mapping mission, upload the raw image files to Airamap's cloud server. Then, select how you want to analyze the data. Choose from a range of functions that suit your needs, and click to submit your job. You'll be notified when the job is done. Airamap stores all your data securely on the cloud, so you always have your reports at hand. Simply log in on your devices to view, download and share digital reports with your team, or print them out in high resolution. Airamap uses a semi-automated process that combines AI machine learning with human inspection to improve continuously on data precision. That's how we developed our oil palm tree counting function to achieve a consistent 99% rate of accuracy. With Airamap, you're also able to view terrain information, measure crop health indices, generate 3D snapshots, and digitize map data.
When we're using the drone to capture the data, usually it have a lot of noises. It's caused by the intensity of light, the unstable of the drone itself causes by wind and so on, which will require a lot of human work on filtering to make the data to have a good quality, so that we're actually using the AIs to automate the process. Also, the AI will be able to learn throughout the time, so that quality of the result will be better when we deliver it to the customer. It also makes the processing time faster, so the customer will get the result faster.
To capture data for Airamap, so we will go on site and fly our drones. So initially first we must do a planning phase, so on which particular area that we need to cover. And then we need to see based on the client's request, so either it will be multispectral imaging, thermal imaging or normal RGB imaging. For normal kind of maps and data that we need to process for client, there's a few varieties of it. One of it is just 2D automosaic, which is the top-down view of terrain features. We will also need to produce digital terrain model, DTM, basically like a render vision of surface on a flat earth, how's the slope of the surface, and so on. Other than RGB, we also process multispectral data and also thermal imaging. So for multispectral data, usually we use near-infrared. Mostly we will use it in agriculture-wise. And while for thermals, it detects the thermal difference within a surface area. So usually we do this for inspection-wise.
Precise, powerful, and easy to use, Airamap is the all-in-one platform for GIS data management. Airamap, transforming aerial mapping.